Morning friends, and today I am going to continue the dinosaur play-doh creative clay. We have already made a video of the big creative clay animals big pack. Now we're doing the creative clay dinosaur small pack. Okay, I told you in the next video we'll continue, so we'll continuing. Okay, we see the play-doh is here. We have 5 play-doh and 1 dinosaur cutter. So I'll put the dinosaur cutter over there. Let's take out the play-doh. They got stuck to each other. Okay, it doesn't matter if they stick. I can easily take them off. And okay, and so it is. Don't worry, I'm not using the roller in this pack. It doesn't have a roller, only the big pack has. But I am going to make a rainbow dinosaur with just this. I know a rainbow dinosaur needs a lot of colors, but I only need these colors. These colors are already got dried, so that's why we have a bowl of little water and a dropper. We gotta suck some water. Okay, good. Put drops of water on the play-doh. Don't worry, it won't make the play-doh badder. It just make it a bit softer than it was. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, then let's go squishing it out. Oops, it fell down. Okay, now see, it's softer. Okay, let's do like this. Then let's get the green. Okay, I have to spread the water out to make the entire clay soft. It got broken a bit, but don't worry, I'm sticking it. There we go. Now let's get the pink. I know there's some red stuck to the pink on the side, but it doesn't matter. It always happens like that. Okay, there. Then the yellow. I know guys, this might be a bit far, but I know I will try to make 2 or how much I can make. Okay, there we go. Now it's like that, and I'll get the cutter and cut it there. Oops, it got stuck. Okay, oopsie daisy. First we have a red one. Alright, that's the axis, and then we have the blue one. This is also the axis. Let's stick it together. There. Now it's a half color stegosaurus. These half colors will not be used anymore. Now let's do these colors. Let's stomp and push them down harder, and then there we go. And pull out. How did the yellow even got stuck? Okay, take out the pink, then the green, and voila, we have these pure dinosaur halves. But I'm not going to try to stick. Look, now we have 2 dinosaurs which is half color. Now the yellow is the last one which is not have been covered, so I am going to cover it a bit wider. I have to put it back how it was, because I need to make it a more flatter space, a bit wider. That should be enough, and it's the perfect shape. Okay, and it got stuck on it. Okay, now you have 3 stegosauruses. And that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and the notifications bell to see more videos. And this is the end of the video. Goodbye my friends, and have a good day.